Hi everyone, I thought it would be really helpful to provide an update from Watford Council in everything that's happening in response to the current coronavirus situation. The main piece of advice is to please follow the government's guidance. So if you are someone who's got a high temperature or a new continuous cough, that you should self-isolate for 7 days, and if you live with others, that the whole household should self-isolate for 14 days. There's lots happening in the council to support people across our town. Of course, our priority are the most vulnerable. So we're working with local charities, Watford Community Housing and others to make sure that there is space for anyone who's a rough sleeper, and of course if any of those people need to self-isolate, that they can do so. We're also working really hard to support older residents in the town, and I'm really grateful for all of the community groups that are forming to support people in their areas. We'll be working with charities to coordinate that, to make sure that nobody is missed out. I would really encourage any older person who is concerned and has been offered help with their shopping or medical supplies, please be careful about giving your bank details to anybody. If you don't know them and they're asking for your bank or credit card details, please do be cautious. If you need some urgent help and you are self-isolating and need help with shopping, we'd encourage you to contact Hearts Help, and their phone number is 0300 123 40 44. That's 0300 123 40 44. I also know that many businesses are struggling at the moment. We are going to be working really hard with people like the Beard and the Watford Chamber of Commerce to make sure that all the help and advice that's out there is passed on to businesses. We'll be working really proactively to do things like cutting business rates for smaller businesses. The government have also set up a helpline for self-employed businesses and people that are affected by the coronavirus. You're asked to call 0300 456 3565 or 0800 0159 559, and we'll make sure all of those numbers are shared as well. The council's been working really hard to make sure that we're prepared for this crisis, so looking at all of the services we provide and making sure that we prioritise those that are the most important. So we will of course make sure we continue to collect your rubbish each week, that we have a working funeral service, and also that our housing team continues to operate. Here at the Town Hall, it is still open, but we're encouraging people to go online if possible. That's watford.gov.uk, or to phone through to speak to one of our people that work here, and that number is 01923 226400. That's Watford 226 400. If you want to speak to someone at the council, please phone that number rather than coming here, although we are open for face-to-face contact if that's absolutely essential. I think it's really important that people get up-to-date and accurate information. So next week, the council will be delivering a leaflet to every household in the town to set out the latest advice and also to give information about where help and support is available. And as I say, that will be delivered next week. Councillors here have been making hundreds of phone calls to local residents, especially older residents, to check that they're okay and to see if they need any help. I'm really grateful for everything that everyone's doing. It is a big situation, but I'm sure that our town will rise to the challenge. I'm particularly grateful to our NHS staff and everyone at Watford General for all that they're doing to support those in need at this time. I'll be making some more announcements and updates in the coming days, but thank you everyone for everything you're doing at this time.